Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how you can enable to auto add friends in Line Messenger. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open the Line Messenger app on your phone. Then there are two ways to do this process. The first way is to go to chat, and what you need to do is go ahead and go to home and click on this person plus icon on the top right hand corner. Then you can see the auto add friends option. Go ahead and tap on allow and click on register number. So after you do this, go ahead and write down your number, click on next, and then you can easily register your number. And then what this will do is it will access your contacts and you can auto add your friends through the contacts list, which will be accessed by Line. So this was the first process. The second process is to go to home, click on settings, which you can see on the top right hand side. Scroll a bit down and you can find friends under general settings. Go ahead and tap on friends and you can see the auto add friends option. You can enable this setting to automatically add friends from your device's contacts. So this is the same process. Go ahead and click on register number, click next, and you can see that if the reason doesn't allow adding a phone number, it will be shown, or else you can easily access this and you can enable the auto add friends option given by Line Messenger. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.